Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Banana Republic credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in bananarepublic.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this page where you can see the login area. Go ahead and type in your user ID in the first text box that is associated with your account. Remember that your user ID may differ from bananarepublic.com user ID, so make sure to type in the information correct and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link at the right corner or the eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on Remember User ID box beneath, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. In case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID link or the password link and follow the instructions in order to look for them. Finally, after typing in your credentials correct, click the secure login button and follow the on-screen prompts on the next page and you'll be able to log into your Banana Republic credit card. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.